Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Automotive. There it is. '17 Chevrolet Equinox. Had a look. The complaint with it is that I'm gonna try to hold the camera steady. So here's what I'm at. So turn this off. We got the heat going, all right. We got the fan blowing in the front, and of course you can't feel that, but I can feel it. That the selector is actually on the bottom, right there. But we have no defrost up here, and nor do we have anything on our feet. Yep, that's me just sticking my sock up there. And well, let's see if we can figure out what's wrong with it. While it is the same, it's a little bit different. Yep, that's right. For all your haters, that is the Zeus Plus. So we want to be introducing that tool at some point in time. I don't know, but anyway, got that literally a few minutes ago. I traded my other one in, obviously. So I'll pause you up for just a second. I'm going to see what kind of parameters we can bring in here to see what's going on with this heat and air. I know a lot of you don't like that dinging, so I'll go ahead and close the door. I honestly was expecting to see something in the HVAC. No. But there is no such a thing in the HVAC. And I done selected it wrong. I went by what he's telling me. I used automatic. It's actually not. It's a manual system. Duh. No, duh again. I found the button. It is an automatic system. I'll make up my minds. We can do this one more time. No codes present. Functional test. See what's in the lower motor speed. Mode door position. So that'll be a good test for us. So I'm going to go through there. We've got floor and defrost here selected, and we see if our parameters actually change on that. So let me go ahead and get that set up and get you a shot of this. So sorry about this. I'm looking at and dinging. Sorry guys, can't do nothing about it. Door's open, key is on. What I'm doing here is actually floor. I'm commanding a floor and I'm commanding a defrost. I don't have any changes, and it doesn't give me the usual counts. Unfamiliar tool right now, so bear with me on that one. Pause you back up. Okay, there they are. Actually, it's in a different one, so command the floor. Actuator command counts is at 0. Mode door, actuator direction is now stopped. It says to decrease, but there is nothing happening. We can check power on it, but what's likely going to happen is that we're going to get a mode door coming. Well, actually, I can't get nothing coming right now because it's once again too late, but anyway. In any event, nothing is happening. So, we want to check power and all that good stuff. And call it. Alright, so I'll give you a little bit of an update. Now, alright, I've got everything undone, and I did plug the mode door in, but that's neither here nor there. That's a very difficult thing to film. So, alright, parts, let's see. This sits right there, just under the steering wheel, as you can tell. We've got these clips right here, and then there is 2 screws. This is your hood release. If you push on the little clip dewey that's right there, it slides out and you can kick it out. So this is the easiest way to show this. Underneath, I also removed this bolster, this knee bolster right here. 4 screws, don't know why, but they're friggin' long. I mean, super duper long, I don't know. Right there, I mean, there's 4 of them dudes. So hold that thing in, and that's one thing. Then on the bottom, it sits like this, just like this on the very bottom. There's a push pin. These are latches, like the push latches, but what you folded down over here in the back, there is a screw. All right, so then the side panel, there's that push pin right here. The side panel obviously sits just like this in the vehicle, as you got the air vent right here. So other than that, it's push clips. It's a little bit difficult. You kind of have to, when you pop it out the back, you have to move your seat into a position where the seatbelt buckle is. Now I'm going to try to get you over here. Now I haven't done anything yet as far as got it installed, but you're going to have to remove this Wi-Fi module. There's 2 bolts that go, I'm sorry if I'm yelling, there's 2 clips right there. There's bolts that bolts on, 10mm headed. Right there I got the actuator, the new actuator laying, and I fumbled around with my buttons up here to make sure it turns, and in fact it does turn. Now to get this shot, I don't know what you're seeing because I cannot see it, but there it is, right there. And it is, I'm trying not to move so fast, but it is right there. I don't know, like I said, I don't know what you can and cannot see. But anyway, so anyway, I accidentally hit the pause button, but I did catch it. So like I said, I think while I leave off on the video, okay, it was plugged in, I tried that. So note your positions, it sits like that. So note your position on the screws. I don't know what the screws are. I think they're 7mm headed, but I could be wrong on that one. So anyway, it's behind that plate. It's a rather difficult shot to make with my camera, and I don't know if the GoPro would do me any good because it's a tight area, so I'm just going to do this. We know, because we plugged this in, didn't hurt. I'm not hurting this actuator just by plugging the plug into it. All I did was verify my wires to make sure that it does what it's supposed to do, and it did. So that keeps me from having to diagnose with a scope, test light, what not have you. Anyway, continuing on, I'm going to pause you up and see if we can't get that out of there. Okay, I'm going to try my best. All right. So, yeah, that might make it work. So here's this part. Let me turn the camera around so I can see what you see. All right. So this is our little gadget right here. So now the thing to do here is we can verify that, plug that in, make sure that's dead. But the other thing that is important, and I'm not, and truth to be known, I'm not going to do that, guys. So just bear with me. I hope that I can get a shot of this. I don't know that I can. Up there is 2 levers. Of course, I got my light stuck in there, right in the way. You can kind of see the lever through here. There's 2 of them. There's one right there where I'm pointing the camera, and there's one kind of right there off. What you're going to want to do, we're going to want to make sure that those actually can move freely. And what I mean by that is stick your hand in there and okay, so you see what I'm saying? So these move actually really freely. There is nothing binding them or anything. and that was just the lower one, and then I did the top one a while ago, so nothing there is binding. I don't know how to get that shot any better for you, sorry. You'll just have to take it for face value right now. I've got to get going, put this thing back together. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and plug it in and see if it works. The old one. So it's virtually impossible for me to have the camera both places, so I can prove to you that I'm actually doing it. What I'm doing here is simply go up and then back down, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and point the camera right there, kind of watch that gear, okay? Up, down, no action. Set your camera up right there. Hopefully I don't disturb it. So as I go up and down, change modes, that's why it's called a mode actuator. As you can see now that this actually changes. So, sorry about that. Anyway, I hope that is a good video for you. You know I couldn't show you everything how I undid it, but I think that me showing you how to get the panels off and showing you where the clips and all that good stuff are, I think that should give you a pretty good idea how to do that job. The screws, actually, you can reach, turn the camera back around, you can reach them from down in here with an extension. Now, I do have that one. That helps tremendously. That's a long neck, 1/4-inch drive ratchet. You know, I get it. You guys might not have all that, so it can be a difficult job, especially when you're not super mobile like me. But anyway, there that is, guys. Girls, whatever. Like, subscribe, leave me some comments in the comment box. You know, do what it is you do. We'll see you on the next one. Well, I just realized I don't really know what's wrong with me here lately, but I've been trying to prematurely close these videos. Anyway, blowing. Right, this is front. You hear it shifting. I'm blowing right here. Now it's shifting down there. That's exclusively on the bottom. Nothing coming out up here. It's just all on the bottom. So it's doing exactly what it's doing. I don't think there is a relearn procedure for that. I took the sheet metal off of it. Actually, I did loosen them bolts up and move that. If you check your cams, which it is recommended to check your cams, use a dry lube on the little cams, and I don't have to show you that because once you take that apart, you'll know what I'm talking about. Those little cams, they'll have to be in the grooves just right. It's a booger to do this job, I'm not going to lie. If you're not very flexible, man, you know, if you have kids or something, let them do it. Nah, just kidding. Anyway, I should have showed that before I ended the video. Anyway, once again, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave me some comments in the comment box, and we'll see you on the next one. A little bit of a bonus, so let's see if we can change this. The cycle through there so you can see it. So just to show you this, that's how that actually works. So anyway,